Let's begin with a statement that has been issued by former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh on China-India standoff. And in the statement, he says that 20 soldiers laid down their lives in the ultimate act of sacrifice and defended their motherland till their last breath, saying their sacrifice cannot be allowed to go in vain. As the former Prime Minister has added that Prime Minister Narendra Modi must always be mindful of the implication of his words and declarations on national security. He says China is brazenly and illegally seeking to claim parts of Indian territory such as the Galwan Valley and the Pangong Tso Lake by committing multiple incursions. Shantashri is with us live to give us more details on the statement because Shantashri, the former Prime Minister, says that we cannot and we will not be cowed down by the threats and intimidation that China seems to be giving, and that is exactly what Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also said in his statement. What's the difference that the former Prime Minister is pointing out at?
Well, he also goes on to say that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is responsible to disseminate, the right information to the countrymen, and that's what he had not been doing. So there had been changing statements. The first, after the all-party meeting, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the nation regarding the stand of India on the Indo-China face-off in Galwan Valley, he said that no Indian land has been occupied or any kind of intrusion from Chinese side hadn't taken place. After the Chinese Foreign Ministry issued a statement that India's stand, of course, comes across at a time where we are saying that there had been intrusion on Chinese land. So clearly, there were questions raised by opposition parties regarding this statement, and there was a reissue of the statement from the government of India saying that we are standing firm on our statement that no Indian land was occupied or any kind of intrusion from Chinese side did not take place. So that led to a lot of confusion regarding the changing statements, and that's where the opposition came in and started questioning the government that what exactly is the clear stand of Prime Minister Narendra Modi or India, whether Indian land was intruded upon by Chinese soldiers and whether there was a face-off that had taken place on Indian land or not, or was it on Chinese land. So clearly these are the statements that were questioned continuously by opposition. We had seen a lot of Congress leaders putting out statements on Twitter questioning the government to clear their stand, and Manmohan Singh himself actually goes on to say that this is a moment where we must stand together as a nation, but at the same point of time the truth cannot be suppressed by having pliant allies spout comforting but false statements. So he goes on to also question Prime Minister Narendra Modi regarding the information that he is disseminating, and also he's saying that there cannot be false statements at this point of time, at a time when Chinese soldiers and the PLA army is trying to cross LAC, and there was as Prime Minister pointed out, there were attempts to make certain constructions along the LAC. So at that time, such false statements cannot be made in order to mislead the nation as a whole. So that's why he also says that we need justice for all the martyred Jawans, not only Colonel B.L.
with us. Gaurav Bhatia of the BJP is with us on the phone line. Gaurav Bhatia, the former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh says that Prime Minister Narendra Modi must always be mindful of the implications of his words and the declarations on our nation's security, also strategic and territorial interests. But when the all-party meeting happened on Friday, Mr. Bhatia, the Prime Minister had said that time that neither is anyone inside our territory nor are any of our posts captured. So how many times more clarification does one need, especially from the Congress party's side?
It's very unfortunate that in a very systematic manner, now the former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh comes out and speaks under the instructions of Sonia Gandhi. And once the Prime Minister of the country, Narendra Modi ji, has made it clear that every inch of Indian territory is safe and is well protected by the brave soldiers, it's a sinister design of the Congress to create controversies and to jeopardize national security. We must also not forget that under Manmohan Singh's regime, how India could not even retaliate in a befitting way when China was intruding into our territory, and what was the state of the Indian Army with very little ammunition left, no bulletproof jackets, and the Indian Army was completely ignored and their needs were ignored. So I think Manmohan Singh ji should pay heed to the words of Narendra Modi ji and not make it political.
Well, do you believe that the Congress party should now come out clean on the 2008 the Congress party and the Communist Party of China pact? Because at that point, Dr. Manmohan Singh was the Prime Minister himself, but this was more of a party-to-party agreement that was signed, to which the contents till date are unknown.
No, absolutely. The Prime Minister's office was demeaned during the UPA era, and the Congress party should come and, explain to the nation why the Prime Minister was not even present and a party-to-party agreement was signed. As pointed out by you, it's a question that has troubled every citizen of the country.
Absolutely. And it seems that Rahul Gandhi has just tweeted, Mr. Bhatia, I'll just quickly go across and tell our viewers what now the former Congress president has just said. पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी ने महत्वपूर्ण सलाह, भारत की भलाई के लिए मैं आशा करता हूं कि पीएम उनकी बात को विनम्रता से मानेंगे. So now it seems the Congress party has put forth Dr. Manmohan Singh, the former Prime Minister of India, whereas the earlier Congress had seized on the statement of Prime Minister Modi and had questioned the Prime Minister that when he meant to say that Indian territory had not been ceded to China, where Prime Minister's office also had clarified that an attempt was being made to give a mischievous interpretation to Prime Minister Modi's remarks. And now it seems the Congress party continues to hold on to that statement, and it is now Dr. Manmohan Singh who is now being put front, who is now leading in part of Rahul Gandhi, because criticisms continue on part of Rahul Gandhi's statements, where he also accused yesterday of Prime Minister Modi and calling him as Surrender Modi.